Tired of bad breath? It's a common problem, one that we've all faced at some point or another. There's nothing quite as jarring as the realization that your breath might be less than fresh, just as you're leaning in for that first hello or a warm goodbye. It's a concern that can make social interactions awkward and can even impact your confidence. But what if I told you that there are ways to keep bad breath at bay? In this video, we delve into the world of oral hygiene, unraveling secrets that will help you maintain fresh breath round the clock. We'll be sharing ultimate tips and tricks, some of which you might never have heard before, to say goodbye to bad breath once and for all. Isn't it time you felt confident, fresh, and ready to face the world without worrying about your breath? Stay tuned to discover how to maintain fresh breath and a healthy mouth. First, it's important to understand why bad breath happens. Often it's more than just the garlic bread you had at lunch. The primary culprit is usually poor oral hygiene. When we don't brush or floss properly, food particles stuck between our teeth can decay, leading to an unpleasant odor. Bacteria in our mouth feast on these remnants, producing sulfur compounds that smell like rotten eggs. Not the most appealing image, is it? This is why consistent and thorough cleaning of our mouth is crucial. But wait, there's more. Dry mouth, or xerostomia, can also lead to bad breath. Saliva plays an essential role in cleaning our mouth and maintaining oral health. When its production decreases, usually during sleep or due to certain medications, dead cells can accumulate on our tongue, gums and cheeks. These cells then decompose, causing bad breath. Our diet also plays a significant role. Foods with strong odors, like onions and garlic, can cause temporary bad breath. However, after digestion, these foods enter your bloodstream, get carried to your lungs, and affect your breath. Smoking is another major factor. It not only causes bad breath, but also stains your teeth, irritates your gums, and reduces your sense of taste. Over time, it can severely affect your oral health, leading to gum disease, which is another source of bad breath. Lastly, certain medical conditions like sinus infections, acid reflux, diabetes, and liver or kidney problems can also lead to bad breath. In such cases, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. Understanding the cause of bad breath is the first step towards managing the issue. It's not just about masking the smell with minty fresh toothpaste or a mouthwash. It's about addressing the root cause and taking steps to improve your oral health. Now that we know the causes, let's dive into how to combat them. Hygiene is key when it comes to maintaining a fresh breath. Let's dive into the first set of oral hygiene tips. The cornerstone of any successful oral hygiene routine is, without a doubt, brushing. But it's not just about brushing twice a day. The technique you use is equally important. You see, the goal is to remove plaque and food particles that lodge between your teeth and gums. So, use small circular motions and be sure to cover all surfaces, the outer, inner, and chewing surfaces of your teeth. And remember, a hard brush or vigorous brushing is not your friend. Instead, opt for a soft bristled brush and gentle movements to prevent gum damage. Now, on to flossing. If you're guilty of skipping this step, you're not alone. But here's the thing, flossing is a non-negotiable part of oral hygiene. It reaches those tight spaces between your teeth and under the gum line that your toothbrush can't. This means it removes plaque and food particles that could otherwise lead to bad breath. So, make it a habit to floss at least once a day. Don't worry if it feels awkward at first. With practice, it will become second nature. Lastly, let's talk about the often overlooked hero of oral hygiene, the tongue scraper. You see, your tongue can host a myriad of bacteria that contribute to bad breath. By simply incorporating a tongue scraper into your routine, you can significantly reduce these odor-causing bacteria. Just remember, start at the back of your tongue and gently scrape forward. In the grand scheme of things, these tips might seem basic, but the truth is they are fundamental in maintaining a fresh breath. And don't forget, oral hygiene is not a one-time event. It requires consistency. Remember, consistency is crucial in maintaining good oral hygiene. But oral hygiene doesn't stop at brushing and flossing. Our journey into the realm of oral hygiene continues as we touch on the second set of crucial tips. While brushing and flossing play an essential role, there are more aspects we need to consider for that all-round, fresh breath and healthy mouth. First on this list is your diet. What goes in comes out, and this is especially true when it comes to your oral health. Certain foods and drinks such as garlic, onions, coffee and alcohol can leave a lingering odor in your mouth. While completely avoiding these may be unrealistic for some, moderation is key. Remember, balance is the cornerstone of a holistic lifestyle. Next up is water, the elixir of life. Drinking plenty of water not only hydrates your body but also promotes saliva production. Saliva is your mouth's natural cleaning agent, washing away food particles and neutralizing acids produced by bacteria. So keep that water bottle handy and sip throughout the day. Now let's talk about regular dental visits. Often overlooked, these checkups are crucial in maintaining good oral health. Your dentist can spot early signs of problems like gum disease, cavities, or oral cancer, which might be invisible to your eyes. Regular cleanings remove plaque and tartar that brushing alone can't reach, giving you a fresher breath and a brighter smile. Aim for at least 2 dental visits a year, or as advised by your dentist. Lastly, consider using a tongue scraper. Your tongue can harbor bacteria and food particles that contribute to bad breath. A quick scrape after brushing can help keep your tongue clean and your breath fresh. These tips, when combined with the ones shared earlier, can significantly improve your oral health and eliminate bad breath. Remember, oral hygiene is a commitment, not a one-time task. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you're taking a significant step toward better oral health and saying goodbye to bad breath. Stay tuned for more as we delve into overcoming challenges in the next part of our journey. We understand that maintaining good oral hygiene can be challenging. Indeed, this is a journey with its fair share of challenges. The first hurdle many people face is consistency. Brushing twice a day, flossing daily, and regular dental checkups. These tasks may seem mundane, yet they are crucial in maintaining good oral health. The solution? Make it a routine. Just as you wouldn't skip breakfast or your morning coffee, don't skip your oral hygiene regimen. Another common challenge is dealing with cravings for sugary snacks and beverages. These are not just enemies of your waistline, but your oral health as well. Sugary foods create a breeding ground for harmful bacteria in your mouth, leading to cavities and bad breath. The solution is simple yet not easy. Limit your intake of these treats and opt for healthier alternatives like fruits and nuts. Then there's the issue of smoking and alcohol consumption, both of which are detrimental to oral health. Smoking stains your teeth and gives you bad breath, while excessive alcohol dries out your mouth, creating a perfect environment for bacteria to thrive. Overcoming these habits requires a strong will and determination. If you're struggling, seek help. There are numerous support groups and resources available for those wishing to quit. Let's not forget about the challenge of stress. High stress levels can lead to teeth grinding and other oral health issues. It's important to find effective ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or even a relaxing hobby. Lastly, many people also struggle with the cost of dental care. However, it's essential to remember that prevention is always cheaper than cure. Regular checkups can help detect problems early before they require expensive treatments. With determination and the right approach, you can overcome these challenges and achieve a fresh breath. Remember, your journey to good oral health is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. After all, your smile is worth it. To recap, maintaining good oral hygiene is essential in combating bad breath. We've delved into the causes of bad breath, understanding that it can be a result of various factors, from the foods we consume to certain health conditions. It's clear that bad breath is more than just a superficial concern. It can be an indication of underlying health issues. We've also explored numerous oral hygiene tips. Consistent and correct brushing and flossing, regular dental checkups, staying hydrated and maintaining a balanced diet are all integral to keeping your breath fresh. We've learned that the use of certain products, such as mouthwashes and tongue scrapers, can also be beneficial. But remember, the journey to better oral health is a personal one. What works for one person may not work for another. So, keep exploring, learning, and adapting. Remember, a fresh breath boosts your confidence and leaves a positive impression. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to check out our Holistic Wellness 24/7 for more health and wellness tips.